Welcome to Best Electronics. Are you looking for a best cordless screwdriver drill? Watch the video and get some idea about Alec brand's cordless screwdriver. Many people have already bought this screwdriver and their review shows that the screwdriver is really excellent. Some special features: this screwdriver have non-slip handle, so it's not easy to fall off, and it provides excellent grip and comfort. This screwdriver has mini lamp on the head to assist your work. This screwdriver is easy to operate and portable carry. I recommend this screwdriver to everyone because the screwdriver has been tested and is being used by many people all around the world. Item specifics: material, plastic and metal. Weight, 357 grams. Torque, 3.5 nanometers. Rated voltage, 6V. Battery type, 4xAA. Color, white and black. No load speed, 200 R per minute. Overall, it can be a good choice if you are really in need of a good screwdriver and don't want to invest much money. Many people have already bought this screwdriver and their review shows that the screwdriver is really excellent. So, we think this screwdriver is the best for you. You won't find such a good screwdriver at such a low price. Visit the description link for price and more details. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel for more videos.